If you put a rule on these three pieces, you would probably say they're all 14.5 inches long. But put them next to each other and you can see they vary. Now, also consider how long it takes you to get the scribe line and the blade aligned where you think they should be. If you want more precise cuts and you'd like to have them faster, you're going to love Woodpecker's new StealthStop miter saw fence and stop system. Using a stop on your miter saw saves you time and improves the quality of your work. And Woodpecker's new StealthStop makes it easier than ever before. StealthStop uses a new patent-pending flip stop that fits perfectly in the miter gauge slot of our famous combo track. When it's closed, the stop is completely below the surface of the fence. When you need the stop, just flip it out and it locks firmly in place, square to the fence. There's a micro adjuster built into the stop that makes it simple to fine-tune the position of the stop with pinpoint control. For stock thin enough it doesn't reach the scale, flip it up on edge. Or use a small square. Now these are great stops, but what makes StealthStop even better is how easy it is to attach the rail to your miter saw. For a simple upright fence, the brackets just slide into the back of the track and are screwed down to the work surface. If you prefer a flush work surface, you can mill a 1/2 inch deep groove in your table and install the track. Or even simpler, install the track and add 1/2 inch plywood to either side. If your work frequently requires that you cut pieces that are very close in size to each other, the stacked arrangement is the perfect setup. With one track embedded, just like the flush mount, and a second one attached vertically with the brackets, you can position two stops within a fraction of an inch of each other. That's something no other stop system on the market can do. Let's go over the different options for putting a StealthStop system in your shop. The single track packages include one 4-foot track, 4 mounting brackets, a hex wrench, a wrench holder, an adhesive back scale, and 2 StealthStops. That package is available for either the left side or right side of your saw. The difference is the scale, whether it reads left to right or right to left. So this setup is 2 stacked packages, one left and one right. The stacked packages add a second 4-foot track and 2 more stops. StealthStop, completely out of the way when you don't need it. Easy to install, easy to use, and dead on accurate. Order yours today.